Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I Shall Do, and this is by John P. Key, a classic. Guys, you know what? This song is in the key of G flat, one of my favorite keys. We're going to have fun on today. And this song was requested by RJ. Thank you so much, RJ, for that awesome request. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of G flat. Let's get it. That's G flat, A flat, B flat, B, D flat, E flat, F, and G flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. We have the awesome John P. Key in the building. He's going to come and bless us with his awesome song. And guys, you know what? We're going to just do it like we always do. Stretch our hands, crack our knuckles, stretch them out. All right, I think we're ready. Let's receive John P. Key with I Shall Do. That was John P. Key with I Shall Do. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy son, guys, we're going to get through it. So we're starting out with this. Beautiful intro. Let me give you that. So we're on our 5. We're playing our E major 7 chord. We're playing this beautiful line. That's just D flat going to the B. And then we're playing our 1 and we're playing this G flat dominant 7 chord. And then we're going. All I'm doing is I'm playing the B and then I'm playing my G flat 6 chord on the 4. We're going to our 2. Beautiful chord there, grab it. Now we're going to our 5. G flat major chord. We're going down to the 4. D flat major chord. Go right back to the G flat major chord, but we have a 3 in the bass. And then we're going to this beautiful chord again. Beautiful gospel chord. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. And we're on the 2. And then we start our song. Wherever you want me to go, I'm willing to obey. Oh Lord, please let me know. All right, let me give you that. So we're on our 1. We're playing this beautiful G flat 2 chord. We're playing this line, B flat, B, going to our D flat. We're going to our 3. This is a D7 flat 5 chord. We're going to our 4, G flat 6 chord. We're playing this. That's a D flat and a B flat. We're going to a B and an A flat. Going to a B flat and a G flat. All right, let me give you that. We're on our 3. We're playing a D flat major chord. Going to the 6. That's a G flat 6 chord. Going to our 2. That's a B sus2 chord. D flat major chord on the 5. Going to our 1, and we're playing this G flat 2 chord. Our turnaround. All right, that's just a 2-5. All we're doing is we're going E flat, F, B chord on the 2. This big beautiful chord here, grab it. We're on our 5. And guys, we just repeat that again. It changes right here. Right here, we're playing a regular D flat 2 chord, and we're on the 6. And then we're playing this beautiful gospel chord right here on the 2. So we're going into I shall do. Let me give you that. We're on our 5. We're playing a G flat major chord. Going to our D flat major chord on the 4. Going right back to that G flat major chord on the 3. We're doing this nice line. Let me give you that. E flat, F, G flat, A flat. And then we're on our 7. We're playing our C minor 7. We're going to the 3. That's a D augmented chord. Now we're on our 5, D flat major chord. Another augmented chord. That's a C augmented on the 2. I shall do. This is gospel, guys. All right, so we're on our 5. We're playing our E7 chord. Going to our 1, that's a G flat 13 chord. Now we're finishing on our 4, and that's a G flat 6 chord. Just what he said. All right, so we're going right back to that gospel chord. We're on our 2, and then we're going to our 5, G flat major chord. Going to the 7, D flat major chord. And then we're ending on our 1, that's a G flat major chord. They're doing this nice turnaround here. I'm on my 5 flat, but before I hit the 5 flat, I'm going G flat, F, E. And I'm playing that E right there on the 5 flat. The next part is, if he tells me to climb the highest mount, preach in an unknown place. All right, let me give you that. So right here, we're on our 4. We're playing our G flat 6 chord. And then we're on our 3. We're playing this D7 flat 5 chord. Now we're playing this nice turnaround chord. And we're on our 1, big E7 chord. We're going right back to our 4, right? G flat 6 chord. Going right back to our 3. That's a D7 flat 5. And then we're doing our turnaround. What I gave you earlier. All right, so the next part is like a beautiful bounce. Let me give it to you. Let me give it to you. I know you want it. This is gospel. This is straight gospel. So we're on our 2, and we're playing this B sus2 chord, and we're just bouncing that B sus2. All right, next chord, we're going to our 3. And we're playing this beautiful chord here. This is a G flat sus2. A lot of sus2 chords, right? And then we're going to our 4 and we're playing this beautiful G flat 6 chord and we're bouncing it. That last chord is the D flat major chord on the 6. And of course, bounce it, right? Yeah. Doesn't that feel good? Alright, next part. Not my will, but thy will shall be done. Alright, let me give you that. So we're starting out on this chord right here. We're on our 4. We're playing an A7 flat 5 chord. Going to our D flat major chord on the 3. That's not my, and then we're going to our 4. Will, and that's the G flat 6 chord. Yeah, G flat 6 chord. And then we're going to the, yep, you guessed it, we're going to the 2. We're playing our B flat 2 chord and we're walking down to the 7 flat. That's 1 7 7 flat. Right here we're playing this beautiful chord. That's an A flat, B, D, and a G flat. Guys, I hope this song was a blessing for you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is work smarter, not broken. I still remember my first days working in a warehouse as an order builder. That meant riding through long concrete aisles on a pallet jack, chasing order slips and stacking heavy cases one by one. Every order required constant bending, down to the floor, back up to the pallet, over and over again. By the time a pallet was complete, the real work began, shrink wrapping. At the end of each order, we had to wrap the pallet tight to secure it for delivery. No shortcuts. Most days I wrapped close to 100 pallets. Imagine bending, twisting, and circling those loads nonstop, hour after hour. By the end of the shift, my back didn't just ache. It screamed. When I brought in my shrink wrap stick, the reaction was immediate. My coworkers laughed. "Look at you," one of them joked. "Trying to work smarter, huh?" another said, shaking their head. They saw the stick as unnecessary, even weak, like I was taking the easy way out. But I didn't argue. I didn't explain myself. I just kept working. While they bent and strained, I stood upright. While they slowed down as the day wore on, I kept my pace. While they complained about their backs, I wrapped pallet after pallet with ease. I had used shrink wrap sticks at a previous job where they were mandatory, and I already knew the truth. The tool wasn't about laziness, it was about longevity. I wasn't there to impress anyone. I was there to protect my body and do my job well. By the end of the shift, the laughter faded. Results spoke louder than words. That small decision, ignoring the noise and choosing wisdom, stuck with me long after I left the warehouse. Life lesson. Not everyone will understand your choices, especially when they challenge the way things have always been done. Ignore the laughter. Work smarter. Protect your future. In the end, results will speak for you. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And RJ, thank you so much again for that awesome request. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yes, exactly. I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. You know what, guys? It takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe. Let's hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit that bell and you just hit that subscribe. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year. I appreciate you. You are not just playing the music, but you are the music. This is AK signing off.